Hi, it's me. Well, it's our last day here, and we have already got the whole vacation home in a box all ready to go, and we decided to come to this breakfast place called Somewhere in Time. It's been jam-packed every day we've been here, and today there was no wait, so we decided to come here and check it out, and we're pleasantly surprised. Say hi to Doug. So, just going to take a walk around. So adorable in here. They have eco-friendly help yourself coffee. Actually makes it easier. Say hi.